Hi everyone, myself Suhas. Now I explain the topic of meaning and types of observation. First, meaning an act or incidents of noticing or perceiving, an act or incidents of regarding attentively or watching. The faculty or habit of observing or notice to escape a person's observation. A remark, comment or statement based on what one has noticed or observed. Controlled observation. The observation, two types are there: controlled observation and uncontrolled observation. First of all, I explain the controlled observation. Controlled observation is a type of observation study where the condition are controlled by the researcher. This type of observation may be carried out in a laboratory type situation, and because variables are manipulated is said to be high in control. Merits of control observation. Control observation can be easily replaced by the other researchers by using the same observation schedule. This means it is easy to test the reliability. The data obtained from structure observation is easier and quicker to analyze. It is quantitative making. This is less time assuming method compared to naturalistic observation. Controlled observation is fairly quick to conduct, which means that may observation can take place within a short amount of time. This means a large sample can obtain, resulting in the findings being representative and having the ability to generalize to large population. Demerits of controlled observation. Controlled observation can lack validity due to the have author have effect demand characteristics. When participants know they are being watched, they may act differently. Next type of observation, uncontrolled observation. Uncontrolled observation refers to observing a phenomenon that occurred outside of lab conditions. This is an important distinction from a controlled observation, in which a scientist will define and constrain all parameters and variable involved. Merits of uncontrolled observation. First point, reliable. Good reliability in an observation protocol certifies that observation will be consistent across time or observes. Good validity in an observation protocol ensures that the observation instrument actually measures what it is intended to measure. Second point, natural setting. Naturalistic observation is a research method that is used by physiologists and other social scientists. The technique involves observing subjects in their natural environment. It can be used in conducting lab research, would be unrealistic, cost prohibitive, or would undue effect in the subject's behavior. Third point, useful for individuals as well as groups. A good observation must be factual, accurate, and sufficiently detailed. Having a tablet in the room with you can really help you capture things as they happen with accurate details rather than relying on recall at the end of the day. Once the children have left the setting, immediate detection of problems. Some of the weakness are human bias, since the observed is a human with their own bias. Also, one cannot know that the subject is thinking their mid-set or decision-making process. And next point, uncontrolled observation merits. Provides direct information. Direct observation is the collection of information using your sense. By observing, you can document activities, behavior, and physical aspects of a situation without having to depend on people's willingness or ability to respond accurately to questions. Next, uncontrolled observation demerits. First point, subjectivity. Subjectivity observation. Objective observation are based on what we observed using our sense. We record exactly what we see, hear, taste, touch, and smell. Subjective observation are often influenced by our past events personal experience and opinions and can be based, based on our cultural backgrounds. Next point, less accuracy. Observation are said to often lack validity for a number of reasons. If participants are aware they are being observed, they may behave in the way they feel they should behave. Some of the categories could have been coded in a different way. Third point, interference. An act, fact, or instance of interfering. Something that interference physics. The process in which two or more light, sound, or electronic, it means electromagnetic, it means electronic waves of the same frequency combine to reinforce or cancel each other. The amplitude of the resulting wave being equal to the sum of the amplitude of the combining waves. Fourth point, subjective recording. It means that they are making an effort to write down only what they have observed directly. The educator takes on the role of recording machine, relying on their eyes on camera or ears or microphones to gather informations. Fourth point, time consuming. Many people don't realize that observations research may be time consuming. In addition, there is also concern that the observed presence may challenge the behaviors being observed as time goes on. However, the subjects are more likely to grow acclimated to your presence and act normally. Lack of competency. The quality or state of being competent, such as the quality or state of having sufficient knowledge, judgment, skill, or strength as for a particular duty or in a particular respect. No one denies her competence as a leader. Last point, favoritism. Favoritism shown to relative or close friends by those in power by giving them jobs. Discriminations, racism, discriminatory or abuse behavior towards members of other race may require training. Training constitutes a basic concept in human resources development. It is concerned with developing a particular skill to a desired standard by instructions and practice. Training is a highly useful tool that can bring an employee into a position where they can do their job correctly, effectively, and consistently. Training is the act of increasing the knowledge and skill of an employee for doing a particular job. Thank you. It is a simple example of observation. ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೋಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಅವರ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ರೂಮ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರ ನಡವಳಿಕೆ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ರೂಮ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಹಾಫ್ ಆನ್ ಅವರ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವರು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.